you're anything like me, you probably get to the end of the month, the tax season or financial year end, and you suddenly realize you still have to sort out your mileage logbook. And of course, you left it way too late. Now it turns into a messy, time-consuming admin job that nobody is actually ready for. Most people either rely on apps, subscriptions, or handle mileage tracking by doing it manually in spreadsheets. All of these systems have the same outcome though. You end up scrambling at the end of the month or financial year, trying to remember trips you made weeks or even months ago, and filling in gaps and cleaning up messy data. The worst part is you often paying for monthly tools that are just managing something that is really actually quite simple. I ran into this exact problem while building systems for a lot of my clients who do a lot of travel and driving for work. And the frustration is always the same. Either they forgot to log the trips in real time, or they were stuck in expensive tools that still require manual cleanup at the end of the month. I built something better. A simple automation that removes the atom entirely. Sounds too good to be true, right? Let me actually show you how it works in practice inside the system, because once you see it, you're going to fall in love with it. This is the N8N workflow that I've built. Every time a trip is logged, the system captures a few key fields automatically. So it's already capturing from apps that you natively use. We've got the date, the time, the starting location, the destination, the travel distance, and duration of the trip. Now here is where it gets powerful. We have the rate per kilometer built into the system. So as an example for us in South Africa, we use AA rates, and I'm going to work off of R5.50 per kilometer. And if you travel 10 kilometers, the system would automatically calculate that to 55 being the total. No formulas, no manual calculations, no spreadsheet stress. From there, everything is structured into a clean table that updates automatically at the end of each day. So your logbook basically builds itself in real time instead of you trying to reconstruct it at the end of the month. And the nice thing is it's not fixed. You can add fields, remove fields, or adjust it depending on how you work and the systems that you need in place. If you want to track fuel, you can add it. If you want to track client visits, you can add that too. It's completely and entirely flexible. Now, there are tools out there already that do mileage tracking. I completely understand that. But here is the difference. Most of them are subscription based. You pay monthly, your data lives inside their system, and they can do and train whatever AI or systems on your data, and you're limited by how they structure the exports. With this setup, you are in control. You own the workflow and own the data, and you can change it at any time. Even better, it connects directly to your tools and accounting software like Zoho, Xero, Sage, Pastel, or any accounting software that you have in place. So instead of exporting and cleaning data, everything flows automatically and intrinsically. If you want to keep it simple, you can just export everything into Excel and send it directly to your accountant. If you want to scale it properly, we can push it straight into your accounting system and automate the entire expense process. Mileage in, reporting out. No manual admin in between. The real value here is not just saving money on subscriptions. It's removing unnecessary, time-consuming admin from your life completely. and building systems that quietly run in the background while you focus on actual work and building client relationships. If you want, in the next video, I can show you how to build this step by step and plug it into your accounting software and turn it into a fully automated expense tracking system. If that's something that you see value in, let me know in the comments below the video. And if you found this useful, subscribe, because I'll be sharing more workflows like this. Please consider subscribing and smashing that like, because I will be sharing more workflows like this that simplify how you run your business. I'm also going to be linking this free N8N template that I built within the description of the video. It's free for you to download, and you can make it yourself and make it your own. Until next time, happy building, and I'll see you in the next video.